Hello guys, and welcome to the channel again. We did 1 2 3 4 5 hallmark ornaments already, so now we're on number 6, and it's Star Trek arcade, like a operation simulator arcade, something like that. It's very cool, just catch my eye and I liked it. All right, this is the box. I took it already out of the box. There we go. Beautiful details. It's pretty big. Put the batteries right here that come with. They all come with batteries. You have a little screen right there, if you can see it. Very pretty and cute. And you turn it on right here.
Of the Starship Enterprise. Welcome aboard, Captain. Entering sector 1.2.
Super cute. It sounds very good. And it looks amazing. Alright, let's put it on the side. And I'll see you in the next video.